So let's create this beautiful gel X press on nails together. So our nails is nicely prepped. Okay, we're going to be adding our base gel. As you can see, this is how it's looking, and then we'll apply our preferred nude color. Okay, and then we're going to be drawing our French tips. Guys, I have shown you guys several times how to draw French tips on on the channel. So yeah, I'm going to be fasting or making this part fast. Okay, so this video will not be too lengthy. Okay, so if as a beginner you want to learn how to do your French tip, you can check our playlist to find your preferred video. I've shown you guys, I've done a detailed tutorial video of how to draw your French tips. Okay, yeah. So guys, I'm done, and this is what it's giving. You cure for 60 seconds. Okay, and then we're going to dive into the next design. Okay, which is our our orange gel polish. You can choose to use any preferred color of your choice. Okay, as you can see, I'm using orange gel polish. Okay, and then I'm using my dot paint to draw like a dot. Okay guys, it's not really a dot because it's not that round. Okay, just like a zigzag dot. I don't know how to say it guys, but just the way you are seeing it on the video. Okay, yeah, just draw your dot. This video is a very simple and easy video. Okay, it looks very simple and it's actually very simple. Just use your dotty pen to just outline your dots. Okay, yeah. So guys, actually if you're watching this video up to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying this video. So please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and like and subscribe. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please help me to subscribe. Okay, that's the only way you can actually tell the algorithm to share my video to other viewers, and that's actually the only way you can support me. Okay, thank you and God bless you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. As you can see guys, I am done. Okay, you care for 60 seconds. Okay, and then we're going to dive into the next design, which is our black gel polish. Okay, like I used to say, you can use any preferred color of your choice. Now I'm using my black gel polish with the same dotty pen. Okay, but the smallest part, dotty pen has different sizes, different mount sizes. Yeah, so I'm using the smallest one. Okay, to draw around the orange design. Okay, just the way you are seeing it on the video. Okay, yeah, to pop out the beauty more. So guys, as you can see, the design is already popping out. The design is already coming out already. Hope you've liked this video. Hope you've subscribed. Hope you've encouraged me guys by supporting me. Okay, thank you. As you can see, the design is already popping out. Okay, as soon as you are done, you cure for 60 seconds. Guys, always cure, because if you don't cure, you're going to ruin your design. Okay, you're going to mess up the own nails, and we don't want that. Okay, so and then we did the other hand off camera, and this is what it's giving. Okay, you cure for 60 seconds, like I used to say. Okay, and then we're going to be using our red gel polish, okay, to outline your French tips. Okay, you can use any preferred color of your choice. You can choose to still use your orange gel, okay, to outline, but I'm using red, okay, just to give it a different look, and it actually came out nice and beautiful at the end of the day. So use your gel polish, okay, to outline your French tips, okay, with your tiny brush. Yeah, and that is basically all we did for today's tutorial. Okay, as soon as you are done, we are going to add our top coat to seal and add extra shine, to pop everything out. Okay, and that is it for today. So this is what is giving, and we're going to be adding our top coat. Guys, did you notice that I bought more products? Yeah, and this is the finished look. Yes guys, it came out so beautiful. Trust me, cameras are not doing justice to this beauty. Okay guys, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, we drop videos every week, twice every week. Okay, so turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Guys, tell me in the comment section if you don't like this particular design. Okay, if you don't tell, it actually looks like acrylic, you will not know that this is actually a press on and a gel express on, for that matter. Alright guys, see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye, and I love ya. Mwah.